from Harimaya International School, Loku Shukla Commerce Lecturer. Today I will teach you about some important very short questions about financial statement of non-profit institutions. First question is, name any two financial statement required to be prepared by not-for-profit organization at the end of the year. First of all, its answer is income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Next question, where will you record the life membership fee while preparing the final accounts of non-profit organization? Answer, it will be added to capital fund on the liability side of the balance sheet. Name the account which shows the classified summary of transactions of cash book in a not-for-profit organization's receipt and payment account. State the nature of receipt and payment account. The nature of receipt and payment account is real account. Income and expenditure account is prepared which basis of accounting? It is prepared accrual basis of accounting. State the nature of income and expenditure account. It is a nominal account. What is the capital of non-profit organization generally known as? The capital of non-profit organization generally known as capital fund. How is capital fund of non-profit organization calculated if it is not given in the question? Capital fund is calculated by preparing an opening balance sheet. What is the amount or property received by a non-profit organization as stated by the bill of decreased person commonly known as? Its answer is legacy. Every receipt and payment, whether capital or revenue, and irrespective of the period of recorded in receipt and payment account, it is so because receipt and payment account is prepared on cash basis of accounting. These are some very short questions. Please learn